We're going to try the Centripetal Force experiment, and what we're looking for, let me bring this. We're gonna look for this little needle to just match this screw right here. That's when it's spinning at the proper RPM. And I've got one camera over here looking for the needle, and I'm going to try to adjust the speed here, and I'm looking for the needle to go. Hopefully the camera will see this camera will see the speed that we're going at. It's obviously we need to speed it up. Why is it decreasing? Let's speed it up. Hopefully it doesn't wobble too much. Okay, there it goes. Okay, it's over the screw. So we've got to bring it down. It's at 700 and something. I got to bring it down quite a bit. And by the way, this is with the spring extended all the way out. And it's slowing down. Still over the top. Down. Let's bring it down some more. Am I even looking at the right? Yeah, I think I am. Okay, still over. Let's see when it drops. Slowing the speed down. Down to 573. .450 something, and the needle is still above the screw. It's okay. It should drop soon, and I'll call it out when it drops. Okay, dropped at 461. Let's bump it back up. It's going back up. Looking for the needle to, oh, there it is, about 450. 450, let me adjust this. 4. Oh, dropped 4. Oh, up about 455. That's probably good. All right, let's